Slow cookers remain a staple appliance for busy households, offering hands-off cooking, energy efficiency, and the ability to develop rich flavors with minimal supervision. This comparison aggregates 5 widely available models across 3 brands: Ninja, Crockpot, and Hamilton Beach, and a price range from budget to premium to help readers identify which option best fits their cooking style, family size.
List number 1. Crockpot 7-quart oval manual slow cooker. This 7-quart crockpot offers a traditional no-fuss control scheme with high-low settings and a warm function. Its oval shape accommodates larger roasts and provides a capacious cooking chamber, making it a strong choice for bigger families or entertaining. The removable stoneware and glass lid are dishwasher safe, and the stoneware is microwave and oven ready up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, broadening pre- and post-cook options. With 210 watts of power, it leans toward energy efficiency and reliable long simmer performance rather than rapid cooking, and its stainless steel exterior adds a timeless, easy-to-clean aesthetic. Performance-wise, the SCV700S-BR delivers steady, low-maintenance heating, producing uniform heat across the stoneware due to its consistent temperature control. The 7-quart capacity supports a 7-pound roast or 9+ servings, which is ideal for batch cooking. Use case versatility is enhanced by its oven and microwave-friendly stoneware, facilitating multi-step meals or finishing touches. A potential drawback is the lower wattage relative to some modern high-power models, which may extend cook times for dense cuts. Transport-friendly considerations are limited by a lack of locking lid, but the dishwasher-safe components help with cleanup.
List number 2. Ninja MC1001 Foodie Possible Cooker Pro 8.5-quart Multi-Cooker. The Ninja MC1001 packs a multi-cooker philosophy into an all-in-one unit with 8 cooking functions and a capacious 8.5-quart pot. It claims to replace numerous appliances by combining slow cooking, searing, steaming, sous vide, braising, baking, keeping warm, and proofing. Its triple fusion heat technology promises faster results, while the oven-safe pot up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit enables finishing in the oven for a crisp top. The included integrated spoon ladle and nonstick pot support straightforward, family-friendly cooking, and the unit's 825-watt heater offers robust performance for one-pot meals. In practice, the Possible Cooker Pro shines when you want a compact, all-in-one solution that can go from sear to finish without transferring to a pan. The bottom, side, and steam heat blend accelerates browning and braising, achieving richer flavors in less time than traditional slow cooking. However, it is not dishwasher safe for the main cooking pot, and the pot requires hand washing to preserve nonstick integrity. For entertaining, the 8.5-quart capacity is excellent for large batches, but the absence of a dedicated locking lid means careful transport handling.
List number 3. Crockpot 6-quart Cook. This 6-quart programmable crockpot emphasizes portability with a locking lid and rubber gasket to minimize spills during transport. The digital timer supports cooking from 30 minutes to 20 hours, and the unit remains compatible with oven and microwave for flexible workflow. Its compact footprint relative to 7-quart options makes it a practical choice for smaller households or frequent travelers who still want programmable control. At 240 watts, it blends efficiency with adequate heat for most standard slow cooking tasks. Performance-wise, the CPCV60LL-S excels in transportability and predictable timing, ideal for potlucks, office lunch programs, or weekend meal prep. The locking lid and gasket reduce mess, though the 6-quart capacity can limit portion sizes for larger families. While there are 3 settings and a programmable timer, some users may miss a dedicated keep warm function that extends beyond the cooking window. Overall, a strong value proposition for a programmable, transport-friendly model.
List number 4. Hamilton Beach Slow Cooker. This 10-quart Hamilton Beach model targets large gatherings with a simple 3-setting dial: low, high, and warm, and a stay or go lid clips feature to reduce spills during transport. Its oversized stoneware and glass lid are dishwasher safe, and the stay carry design supports taking meals to events. The 450-watt element balances energy use with the capacity to handle large roasts and casseroles. The full grip handles and robust build make it a practical option for holiday cooking or batch meals. Real-world use highlights include easy setup, predictable low-high temperatures, and reliable warm holding after cooking completes. The lack of advanced digital timing features means it's best for straightforward longer cooks rather than precise schedules. Cleaning is straightforward thanks to dishwasher-safe components, and the 10-quart capacity enables large turkeys or multiple dishes. Potential drawbacks include its heavier footprint and limited programmability compared to clock-based programmable models.
List number 5. Hamilton Beach 6-quart slow cooker with space-saving folding handles. The 6-quart model with space-saving folding handles is designed for compact kitchen setups. It features 3 heat settings, dishwasher-safe stoneware and lid, and folding handles that tuck away for storing or countertop space efficiency. Its 6-quart capacity is ideal for typical weeknight family meals, while its 265-watt element supports energy-efficient extended simmering. The folding handles are a standout ergonomic feature for small space kitchens and storage optimization. In use, the 6-quart 33664 delivers dependable, uncomplicated performance with straightforward operation. The folding handles reduce footprint when stored, and the dishwasher-safe components simplify cleanup after meals. However, the smaller capacity compared to the 7 or 10-quart models may require multiple batches for larger families, and the 265-watt power ceiling can extend cooking times for dense cuts or large roasts. Overall, an excellent budget-friendly option with practical design features.